In this bad situation, most of the people are earning from online by using their different types of strategies on their mobile phone or computer or other devices from any corner of the world. You can get a chance to earn extra cash from home by watching this video step by step. Because I want to share two trusted websites to earn extra cash after completing this, some types of work such as watching ads or other clicking on different types of ads altogether. So these websites are called www.hey. This is make money online. In every single week I upload a video to teach you how to make money online. If you are first time in my channel, please click the bell button to get all types of notifications from here. On the other hand, if you want to get such types of videos, please get connected to make money online. Just click on this playlist button over here. There are two playlists on my YouTube channel, and on the other hand, if you want to create your brand new YouTube channel, just come to this playlist to start watching how you will start your journey on YouTube platform for ensuring extra cash from home by using your computer or your mobile phone. So let's get started. All right, this is the first website. I think Adwallet.com. Adwallet.com is an amazing website to watch different types of videos, and you will be get paid $3 for every word from this platform easily. So before starting this video, let me show about the total statistics about this Adwallet.com. If I click on this similar web.com, you will be able to get lots of information about Adwallet.com. This one is a global rank, country rank, category rank, what type of people are working on this platform altogether. First of all, United States, Turkey, India, China, Pakistan, and other people also are engaged to start working on this platform altogether. So I wanna share exclusive information to start your journey on this platform over here. First of all, if you come to this, get rewarded for watching videos from brands you care about. Is interaction takes just a few minutes and is worth up to $3 plus unlock exclusive offers over here. So how you will start your journey, and then you can start your journey. Just click on the sign up button here by informing all the informations from yourself. Before starting your journey, you must know the total statistics about this website. I think earn a real money online from your favorite brands. This one is watch video and receive a text. Hi, and it's time to log in to watch a short video handpicked just for you. And second one is get a rewarded. It earn a minimum of $0.50 and up to $3 per video interaction. Make more money, earn an additional $1 for every friend you refer plus download offers from brands you love. So this one is the common feature about this website, and you will be able to cash out this $10 from this website, and these are the cash and rewards paid out to people just like you in our first 12 months. And if you come to this, it's easy to get paid to watch videos, ads, and complete online service and transfer to bank, gift cards, and donations over here. And this one are the total testimonials from different types of people all together about this adwallet.com. So how you will start your journey on this adwallet.com, just come to this sign up button here. I mean, click on the sign up button here to get started on this adwallet.com. And this one is brand spent $250 billion last year just to get your attention. So wow, this one is the trustworthy message for you. And if you come to this folder, frequently asked questions are available here. Just click on this, how do I get an ad wallet? To sign up, simply click here to create an account. Keep in mind you must sign up with an active cell phone number and email you can verify and be at least 13 years old. I mean, you must have 13 years old. I mean, yeah, 13 years old can be started their journey on this adwallet.com. If you are reading this and have not signed up yet, use promo code for to earn your first $1. What are you waiting for? Start getting paid for your attention right now. And if you will be able to get lots of information about this website, I think you can get connected by using your computer or your mobile phone altogether. How can I cash out money I have earned? You will be able to get lots of information from here. This one is at least $10 in your ad wallet for paying attention. Congratulations, cashing out is easy. Simple tap on the redeem button at the bottom of your ad wallet account and choose from the various cash out options over here. And in ad wallet and apps, you can use these apps from Google Play Store on your mobile phone to start your journey on this adwallet.com. This is the common characteristics about this adwallet.com to start your journey on this platform easily from any corner of the world to start your earning easily without any types of knowledge or experience or investing any money. So just click on this sign up button here to get connected on this adwallet.com. Now I'd like to share another one. This is called BUXinside.com. Get paid every 10 seconds at Bucks Inside. You get paid just for browsing our advertisers' website at Bucks Inside. You can cash out instantly at Bucks Inside. You can cash out at only $3. So this one is the pretty cool and amazing website to start earning more and more from any corner of the world. This is a advertising website, I mean. So as a member, you can earn simply by being the advertisements. We display effortless income membership details here. And this one is $2 minimum payout, multi current support over here. And this one is another common characteristics of this website. I mean about BucksInside.com. As advertiser, you can start your journey on this platform. You can advertise your website to help increase your traffic, amazing offers, bio prices, very fast deliver, free visitors from Pro PT and price in. So how you will start your journey on this website, I will share about this starting about this BucksInside.com, and you will be get paid Payza and Bcash, Globe Money, PayPal, and other uh, payment method over here. So what should you do? Just there are two ads, and just click on this ads over here, and then get paid. Just I wanna share this. If you click if you click on these two websites altogether, just going to that website, just you must wait minimum 30 seconds to get paid for more and more money from this website. And this is a massive turn $1,000 into two for $0 within one a month, I think. So this one is another rate you will be able to get paid after clicking on this ad altogether. Just you must connect it minimum 30 seconds on this website altogether. This is the boom and easiest way to earn extra cash, and you will be able to get paid $3 minimum payment method on this BucksInside.com on this on this payment method over here. How you will get start your journey on this platform? Just click on this register button and providing all the information, I mean name, password, and email address altogether. Just click on this register button over here, and then you'll be able to get connected. Now I want to share, just click on this register button over here, and then there will be a form. Just you must fill up username, login, and payment email. And this one is confirm email or refer by, not required. And this one is currency. You can select from here whatever you like. And payment method, you must select from here: PayPal, add the cash, and perfect money, Coinbase, Neteller, ATM. Altogether, you can choose from here. There is a captcha. Just click on this button over here, then yes, and just click on this register button over here, and you will be able to get a confirmation email on your mailbox. So just click on this mail, and you will be able to get connected, I mean login, and start your working on this platform to start your working to start your earning from this website from any corner of the world. So these are the two websites, I mean two websites to start your journey easily without any types of knowledge or experience or investing any money, or without any types of hesitation, just by using your computer or your mobile phone or your other devices or and sharing more and more a dollar from this two website. So thanks for watching my videos till the end. I could request to watch my previous videos from my YouTube channel. If you are first time in my channel, if you want to get lots of money from different types of trusted websites, I have uploaded on this video on my make money online. Just you can start your journey step by step to ensure extra cash from any corner of the world on your computer or your mobile phone all together. And please share this video more and more. As a result, most of the people are unemployed or are students, those who want to earn extra cash or need money for different types of websites, you can help them by sharing this website, I mean platform altogether. I'll catch you guys in my next video. Till then, take care.